Hey friends, if you wish to update country or region settings in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So it's not very difficult. Here's what we have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side, select language and region here, wait. Now scroll down and you can change the country or region. But here's the thing, what are we even changing it for? Are we changing it for the system time? The answer is no. So we are changing it for Windows and apps to use it. Okay, to give you local content. For example, if we have YouTube application downloaded, it may consider, not necessarily, it may consider this region if it is possible. If that app allows it, there are a few apps which will not even allow that. But for many apps, this can be very, very helpful. So we can select a region or a country, and we can also select the regional format that is for dates and times. For example, in some countries we use the MMDDYY format, and in some countries we use a DDMMYY format. So we will select it here. Okay, this is how we can do it, and we don't need to save it specifically. It will save by itself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.